There are occasions when users have to perform dangerous actions on your products. Things like deleting an account or destroying a cloud instance can bring unpredicted and unrecoverable risk to people's digital assets. Therefore, a UI UX designer must alert users before a dangerous or destructive action or command can be executed. Jakob Nielsen, the author behind Nielsen's usability principles, suggests the following. First, help users prevent mistakes. Nielsen believes it's important to use a dialog box to inform users of the destructive actions they are about to perform. In addition to a generic title, you can use text prompts to elaborate on the destructive nature of such actions. A good example would be this: delete account. As a title, are you sure you want to delete your account? This action is irreversible and will delete your profile permanently. By illustrating the potential consequences, you are drawing your users' attention to the damaging nature of the actions, so they do not unintentionally delete the account. Also, the red color on the dialog box can indicate danger. You may want to avoid suggesting a default option on the dialog box because you want your users to confirm their intentions and make rational choices. Second, give your users a chance to undo their actions. For instance, Gmail gives you 20 seconds to withdraw the email you sent. The buffer time reduces user anxiety and allows them to evade catastrophic errors. I hope this was helpful. Do not forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.